Hello! I've got a different kind of camera review today. I got the LEGO Creator Retro Camera Kit as a gift, so I figured I might as well make a video building it. Technically, this kit makes 3 different models, and while I was really tempted to make the video camera as well, you can only make one at a time. And of course it's going to be the photo camera. I like sorting all the pieces before I start because I'm crazy, and also so they're easier to find instead of digging through a big mess. This kit has a total of 261 pieces, and even with filming and moving the camera around, I finished building it in about an hour. While I no longer have any of my other LEGO sets, I actually used to have a decent sized collection. I probably won't collect LEGO like I used to, but this was a set that I wanted to make an exception for, since I like collecting camera gear and related items. As with all the other LEGO I've built, instructions were very clear and simple to follow. Once finished building the camera body, there are 2 film strips to build. These have transparent stickers that let light pass through them, similar to an actual film strip, though not negative. The images on the stickers are actually of other LEGO Creator sets. A nice little touch. The film door on the back is hinged, so you can swing it open and put a roll of film in the camera. The controls on the top are mostly functional in some way, and there is a little viewfinder made from clear bricks, so you can frame your shot. You can even focus the lens. I actually kind of prefer the film strip with the giraffe more, so I'll probably keep that one out on display with the second strip hidden in the camera. The strap is also really nice, made of similar cloth that you'd find in many other LEGO sets, though a bit thicker feeling. It's held in place securely with a round brick, so you won't have to worry about it falling off. And here's a comparison with my most similar retro film camera, a Ricoh rangefinder with similar styling. I like how the brick texture with the LEGO logo acts like the textured rubberized grip you'd find on a real film camera. And here's some example photos from this camera. Okay, well that's a little joke, but I found a use for the mosaic effect of it, at least. I really enjoyed this little toy, though it could have been even better if the lens were removable. They have it so close, you can kinda take it off, but it's more like disassembling than removing a lens. I hope you enjoyed this video, though it's a bit different from some of my others. I had a lot of fun making this one, and I think it turned out pretty good. Let me know down in the comments if there's other photography related toys that you might have had that you think I should check out. Thanks for watching.
I owe you on my back. Oh well.